CoPrA 8 has great new features to create printer and device link profiles for industrial applications like ceramics or textile printing with multicolor inks. Often, in these industries, special inks are selected to increase the gamut in the shadow in some colorful areas. As an example, I've loaded a 6-color ink ceramic measurement data using blue, magenta, yellow, black, dark red and orange inks in color end, showing the primary ink channels. You will see that the two channels magenta and dark red are overlapping each other, and the dark red only extends the gamut in the shadows, while the orange extends the range of colorful reddish colors. Loading this sample 6-color ceramics data in previous versions of CoPrA for printer profiling offered the multicolor modes special inks to cope with such inks. These options had to be selected manually from the user. With CoPrA 8, these special ink modes have been removed and instead an intelligent automatic detects if additional inks are typical gamut extending colors or special inks and will use them appropriately. This will make multicolor profiling for those industrial applications much easier to use. With the help of the new auto checkbox that is enabled by default with all multicolor presets, CoPrA figures that the magenta channel can be combined with the dark red channel to increase the gamut in the dark areas. The curves show that for lighter colors magenta is used and for darker colors more of the dark red channel is used, while the magenta channel declines to minimum. On the other hand, the orange channel is a typical gamut extending color and as such it is automatically used in the magenta-yellow range of the color space. This is what is shown with the channel checkboxes under Combinable and visualized in the curves and the gamut views. The automatic will figure which is the best combination of additional inks and their combination with the first standard inks. However, there might be reasons in industrial printing that require other combinations if combining inks is possible. Therefore, if you disable the auto checkbox, you may select your own combinations. For example, if the auto checkbox is off and both channels are enabled, which means both inks are disabled, then magenta and dark red and yellow and orange are combined. If you disable the dark red channel, simply click the channel, which is then indicated with the X, then only yellow and orange are combined. If you switch to the gamut view and compare the numbers, you will see that CoPrA shows the impact of the combined colors with the gamut volume number. If the auto checkbox is enabled, CoPrA calculates and selects the ink combinations with the largest gamut and indicates which channels are combined. Note that the combinable channels are a different feature than the used channels. If, for example, a dark red channel would be disabled under used channel, then it will not be used at all in the separation. There are other use cases for this functionality. Typically, you wish to use all channels and should not disable any channel.